Nature, worst enemy. This is the jungle where the lions, the tigers, the wolves, the coyotes, snakes were ready to eat us and kill us. Will we survive or will we not? What is that? Ah, you. I thought it was a real caterpillar. What on earth is this? Is this an animal or is it just? It seems to be a dead caterpillar. Oh no, it's a dead caterpillar here. I wonder what's gonna do to us. Well, it's time to run. We've ran across the miles, but guess what? Will we see a coyote? Or is it just a fake? What do you see? What do you have to say? What do you have to say, mister?
We're good. We're not scared of anything.
We will make it alive.
Yes, we'll make it alive.
Are you sure?
Yes, for sure. We got Jehovah our back. He's gonna protect us.
We might die or save. Let's see what will happen.
Tell him. We got Jehovah in our back. Protect us. Tell him.
Oh well, look what it says. You're ready. This is day 1. Let's see what will happen in day 2.